Okay, so that was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be, and I just want to show you how great functions were. And I feel like you already have functions in your brain, so that's why that was quite an exercise. All right, I can make this a lot easier for us to do, so that it is not so crazy, and actually kind of will lead us into um, the next. I'll show you why this is good, and I'll show you how to make this easier, and then I'll in the next video when I show you how to make external JavaScript files for reuse, you'll see why this is even more useful. But it seems like what I should have done is created a third function and call it convert temp. And why am I converting the temp? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the range. I'm going to take the temp as well. Okay? And why am I doing this? Because what I'm going to do now is actually do some of this if stuff. And I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to take all of this junk right here. I'm going to cut that out of there. If the current range, so if the, let's call that range equals f, we'll use, so we need to define let new temp equal nothing. Okay. New temp is F to C, else we're going to convert to Fahrenheit, and new temp will be that. And then we're going to return new temp. All right. And so what we're going to do now is we are going to let current temp equal the inner text, console.log current temp. Okay, the new temp, we're actually going to get rid of that. And we can just set this to be convert temp. Current range, comma, current temp. And that's all we need for this particular one. So there is now a kind of like super function that is going to take what's the current range and what's the current temp and set that based off of that. And then we have, we still have to switch it down here, this whole like current range thing, like change the current range, but that is okay. So let's save that. Let's see if this works. Can't find current temp. Let current temp equal this. Ah, it was here in this function. I should have just made this temp and made this one temp. My bad. Okay, now it'll work. This is what I get for copying and pasting. Convert temps, convert temps, convert temps, convert temps. Okay, there we go. So that is a way that we can make a sort of all-encompassing function that uses other functions and some if statements to determine what gets returned back. All right, so now we're going to take a look at how to use external files for this.